Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Natasha Denona Glam face palette. They are eye and cheek essential products. You get a cream blush, a highlight, and a whole lineup of beautiful eyeshadows. Comes in a couple different skin tone options, I believe light and dark. And yeah, so we're going to be putting this to the test, seeing if it's actually worth the purchase. And if you're interested, then keep on watching. This is absolutely stunning. I love the packaging, super, super shiny, almost like a rose gold. When you open it up, it is just as stunning. So underneath this little plastic piece, which keeps these products from getting, the eyeshadow on the cream products. So this has a cream blush and it has a star glow, which is a highlight. Really, really pretty colors as well. As you can see, definitely I think go for a light skin tone. So I think it definitely matches what you would want to see. And then in the actual bottom part, you have the eyeshadow. So there are 5 eyeshadows. So basically in this, you're getting a little cheek duo and a mini Natasha Denona palette, because her mini palettes have 5 pans, although these are larger, so you're getting more eyeshadow than her mini. This does retail for $78 Canadian, which I think is actually pretty reasonably priced, as you're getting 5 larger sized eyeshadows and the 2 face products. So let's go ahead and start with the face. So the cream blush, I am going to apply with a sponge probably, because I do prefer applying cream products with a sponge. And I have applied powder because I am familiar with her cream blush formula, and it is very beautiful on top of powder. So it is a very versatile formula. Hopefully this one is the same as her other ones I've tried. So this is the cream blush in the light palette. Yeah, it's working just as well as I'm familiar with. And then you just kind of bounce it on the skin. So that is built a little bit. I could definitely build it more, but that is a very beautiful shade. It's subtle. Like when you look at it in the pan, I find this is very common with her cream blushes. They're very intimidating. They look a lot darker than what they actually appear. Now, obviously, if you were to swirl your sponge in there and wipe it on your face, or go in with a brush, it's going to obviously be a little bit more pigmented, but I find, especially with the sponge, it is a lot more natural and it is very buildable. So as you can see, I just built it a little bit more there. Really, really beautiful shade. That is stunning. That's really, really, really pretty. I really like that. You know what? For the sake of just showing you guys, I am going to use a brush. And I do notice a very, very slight almost shimmer in the blush. You don't really see it on the skin, but it kind of gives that healthy glow. So as you can see, it's a little more pigmented with the brush, so you have to be a little bit more careful. You just kind of want to do a similar buffing motion. I just find it doesn't look as perfectly soft and blended. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the sponge. I'm just gonna do what I like to do, but I wanted to show you you can go in with the brush, and I could have gotten it to look as blended, but I just find the sponge a little easier. It's quicker though if you want to build it faster. You could kind of go in with the brush and then blend out with the sponge. That's a nice way to do it too. Okay, so as I said, very beautiful blush color. Let's go in with the highlight. So it looks like a very beautiful, almost champagne, and that is exactly the type of shade that I love. I like a nice just champagne. It suits my skin the best, and I just find it's one of the most flattering highlight shades. So I'm just going to tap off my excess. I am using my Scott Barnes 66 brush. It's one of my favorite highlighting brushes. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So pretty. I love that. So far so good with this palette. I love the color scheme, the color options, the formulas of the face products, the cheek products. And it looks really nice on the skin as well. It doesn't emphasize texture, doesn't look chalky. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is play around with these eye products, these eyeshadows, and see what kind of look I can come up with. And then I will come back with my final opinion on the palette. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and finished up my look off camera, and let me tell you, this baby right here is absolutely stunning. I recommend this hands down. As I said, the blush, the highlight, really, 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 really beautiful. Really beautiful shades. I'm actually more impressed than I expected. I was more actually excited by how the eyeshadows looked. Like the eyeshadows in terms of color are like my jam all the way. This one, like, I don't know, there's something about the face products I'm like, yeah, that's cool, like I like the layout, but I'm really, really like overly impressed by the actual colors and formulas. Really beautiful cheek products, and then the eyeshadows, as you can see, set you up for a beautiful kind of neutral eye. I mean, I could have gone a lot darker and smokier with the darker option. I could have gone even lighter. It kind of sets you up for some really beautiful kind of everyday neutral looks, whether from super simple to kind of more glam. So definitely recommend this. I think it's actually a decently reasonable price, especially for Natasha Denona, and I will definitely be using this all the time. It's super like convenient too. For the most part, you're set up with a lot of things in one little palette, so it's very convenient as well. Love the idea behind it, love the colors, and love the actual formulas. So A+, I definitely recommend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful day. Bye guys.